You don't need to buy disinfectants ever. Hello lovely humans, welcome back, and if you are new here, I am Riza and I talk about business, my imperfect zero waste life, and skincare. For today's video, we will talk about the Lana PH Disinfectant Generator. Isa to sa mga products na na-release namin for Lana PH sa lifestyle line namin. And I'm really excited. And if you've been on this channel for a while now, alam niyong mahilig ako maglinis. Lahat ng mga pambahay, mga very tita finds. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko siya. Kaya, super duper excited ako nung nilaunch namin to. And since alam niyo naman na sobrang na-appreciate ko kayo lagi, I will be giving away one of these for one lucky viewer. And make sure you stick up until the end of this video para malaman niyo yung mechanics. So, ayun nga, as a legit tita, you know na sobrang hilig ko maglinis. I love cleaning. It relaxes me so much. And honestly, this is one of my favorites right now in terms of cleaning. Lalo na ngayon, nung nag-pandemic, sobrang mas thorough ako with disinfecting, with cleaning the house. I know I don't always have the time to do that, pero I make sure that every Sunday, I clean up. And as much as I can, I disinfect the surfaces in the house. And ginagamit ko rin to pang disinfect ng mga packages, yung mga parcels natin na dumadating every single day sa bahay. I make sure na I disinfect every single one of them. And also, ngayon kasi madalas nag-online groceries na lang ako. I don't usually go out papunta sa supermarket nowadays. So, nagpapadeliver lang kami ng grocery. So, every single time na may dadating na grocery, pinupunasan ko talaga isa-isa. So, basically, what this baby does is it allows you to create your own disinfectant or bleach. How amazing is that? And all you need is water, salt, and this one. And also, alam niyo naman na anything na mas makakatipid ako in the long run, I buy. So, this one is a really good investment. Honestly, nung una, medyo skeptic talaga ako kasi, ito lang, salt and water, magiging bleach na. So, ako naman, nag-research ako, nagtanong-tanong ako sa mga chemist friends and chemist na mga kilala, and I found out na shocks, legit pala siya. I will be talking about the entire process in a while, but first, let's unbox this baby. So, when you open it up, kung mabubuksan ko siya, ano? Ayan. So, ito ang laman niya. Pagbukas natin, you'll see this. You'll have the spray, the body, ito yung saksakan, and then inside you will see yung lalagyan niya. So there, this one, you'll untwist this, then you take this out. Ito yung lalagyan. So you have this one, yung lalagyan, and this one, the base. Inside the box, you will also see an instruction manual, yung teaspoon for the salt, and a power cord. And step number 1 is ibalik nyo lang muna dito. Let's fix this, kasi dito natin ilalagay yung water and salt. Then we put it here. Yung power cord. Ganyan. Set aside. Wow! Set aside. Nagluluto. So, ayan. Kunin na natin yung lalagyan niya after. Dito rin natin susukatin yung water na ilalagay natin doon sa device. So, right now, we will just pour some water here. Kahit tap water lang, okay na. And don't fill it so much. Siguro mga hanggang dito lang. After that, buksan nyo to. Then put water inside. Now we are ready for the salt. Just put 1 capful of salt. Yung pantay lang siya, ganyan. Then, ilalagay nyo siya sa loob. After that, takpan na natin. Then, shake lang ng konti. Once you shake it, isaksak nyo na siya. Here's our power bank. Saksak lang natin siya. Then, magbi-beep siya. Narinig nyo ba yun? And then, after that, you press this power button and then, iilaw siya. Yan. May pa-RGBing nagaganap. So, yeah. This one, as you can see, may mga bubbles siya. This process is called electrochlorination. When you combine salt, water, and electricity, magiging sodium hypochlorite siya, aka bleach. So this is what this device does basically. Nilalagyan niya ng electricity yung water and salt para kapag tapos na siya, usually 10 minutes to, yung solution nito is bleach na. Science, baby. The device will beep 3 times para malaman yung tapos na. So, this solution disinfects high traffic areas in your house. So, yung mga knobs nyo, switches, mga surfaces, tables, floor. And you can also use it again to disinfect all of the parcels coming into your house because we don't want all those bacteria to go inside. And ayun nga, kapag nag-grocery kayo, pwede nyo siyang gamitin pang spray doon sa mga pinamili nyo. You can also use this as water bath, yung mga tinatapakan sa mga establishments, yung doon sa entrance ng doors. You can put that solution there. So what I really like about this product is number 1, super duper tipid. Mag-i-invest ka lang one time and you can produce your own bleach. At least alam mo kung ano yung nandun sa loob ng solution na yun. And I also like that it's so minimalist. Ang premium ng design niya. Merong extrang lalagyan. So once you're done with the solution here, you can transfer it over here, then spray it as you wish. And also for reminders, this disinfectant is not for your hands. Again, this is sodium hypochlorite, aka bleach. It's only for surfaces. Reminder number 2 is to only make the solution kapag gagamitin nyo na. Yung solution only lasts for about 24 hours. So, magiging stale siya kapag kinabukasan gagamitin mo naman ulit. And we don't want that. This is also to make sure na effective pa rin yung disinfecting properties niya. No, hindi na siya kailangan i-dilute kasi this solution is already diluted for you. Hindi yun na kailangan i-combine to with more water. Do not put essential oils or any other ingredients in the solution because mawawala yung effectivity niya. Please, yung solution lang kasi it might be harmful if you put any other ingredients in the solution. What I do is, I just have a separate solution for my essential oils. So, water and essential oils lang siya pampabango ng bahay. You have to wear gloves when cleaning with bleach. Actually, mayroon akong cleaning video. Saan ko ba? Dito. And one of you actually mentioned na dapat talaga naka-gloves when cleaning with bleach, and that's correct. It's also best that you put your solution in an opaque, meaning hindi siya see-through, or an amber bottle, just so ma-preserve yung effectivity ng solution, and do not expose it under sunlight or any hot areas. There you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Really, no bias though. Sobrang sulit nito. And we actually have this in the office. We have this at home. I use it in the car as well. For the giveaway, alam ko ito yung inaabangan nyo. All you have to do is, number 1, comment on this video down below on YouTube. And make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Do not forget. Number 2 is you have to follow me on Instagram. That's at @rizalana and lana.ph. That's at lana.ph on Instagram. And number 3 is you have to share this video and let me know when you're done. And make sure na subscribe kayo sa channel kasi by next week on my next video, saka ko i-announce yung winners. Again, thank you so much for watching and I will see you on the next one.